Hi guys, welcome back. Yes, my 1000th tectonic puzzle. It will be this one. Yes, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday, January the 20th, 2023, and I've already solved 3 puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the and the binary. So one puzzle is left, the tectonic with 4 stars. Yes, tectonic with 4 stars. And this will be my 1000th tectonic puzzle, so it's a celebration, a milestone, and this one will be number 5826. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 12 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one, but the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 12. I do not know, but could be an easy one. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? I do not know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes? Let me check for dual boxes. No dual boxes. I see here the triple box. The triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, this box near the middle box, this is the middle box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. But it can be a 5 because we have a 5 here, so this box should be a 4 then. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Let me check. Here we have a quadra box, contains the 1, the 2, 3, and 4. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. More quadra boxes, let me check. Here we have a quadra box. Well, here I cannot fill the numbers, I need more information. Insufficient information here. Okay, so my next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Yeah, for example, we have a T shape here. Let me draw the T shape here, upside down, the T shape. T figure, shape, structure, construction, whatever you name it. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Do we have more T shapes? Nope. Only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 1. Then the following shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Okay, it's a 4. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. And the last shape, I believe, in this puzzle, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. And this box is also connected with that box, will be also a 1. More L shapes here, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Here, rotated L shape. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize, in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 5 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 1 there because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. Okay, now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 1 there. If I place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1, but we already have a 1 here. So not a solution. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be there. Alright. Then let me see. This no 1. Alright. Then these 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. We have a double 1 here. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 cannot be here. The 1 in this triple box should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1, so this box should be a 1. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this quadra box for number 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a double 1 here. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So not a solution here for the 1. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Then let me see. These two boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, we have 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3, okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. These two boxes can be 3, so the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. For the 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then. How about, I think this box should be a 5, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and the 4, let me mark those, 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and a 4, but we already have a 3 there, so it can be a 3 and more, should be a 4, is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3, can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 or a 4. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Okay. This box can be a 3. This box can be a 4. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Then these 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. This box can be a 2, that box can be, these 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. Well, we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be a 3. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be there, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more, that box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. Alright, 1 here. This box can be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. So if eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here or there, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this T-shape area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 4. That box is also connected with this box, should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes and there. This box can be 4, this box can be a 3, so the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. This box can be a 5, that box can be a 5, so one box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, so one box left for the 4 in this quadra box. Should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3, 1 and 3. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. I've marked those two boxes earlier with 1. Now we have 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Then 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Well, this box cannot be a 2 or a 4 because we have a double 4 and a double 2 there. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4 in this L shape. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. Of course, it's connected, so 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 5. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes at there. Finish in 16 minutes. Told you, cannot be a 4 stars. Cannot be a 3 stars. Let me give this 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this 1000th, my 1000th 1K. Yes, my 1000th Tectonic, and I love to solve tectonic puzzles. Yeah. Well, have a great and fantastic Friday. It's almost weekend. See you tomorrow on Saturday. New day, new puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now. 1K, yes, 1000. Bye bye for now.